Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is Mathematics 4024 of GCE, and this is lecture number 13, which is all about the numbers. Today we are talking about the fractions and mixed fractions. And we started exercise 2D. We did one question, one part actually, and now we are turning our focus to part number B. Ladies and gentlemen, in the thumbnail of this video, now you can see that which exercise, which book, and which question we are doing, which are the questions which we are doing in this lecture. So before clicking the thumbnail of the lecture, confirm that whether you are seeing the correct video or not. Okay, this question is saying that 2 whole 3 over 5 multiplied by 15 over 26. 5 twos are 10 and 13 divided by 5 multiplied by 15 divided by 26. Now the next process is to cut 5 ones are and 5 threes are, 13 ones are and 13 twos are, which is equal to 3 over 2, which is equal to 1 whole 1 over 2. Now we are turning our focus to part number B, part number C, which is 15 divided by 4, 15 divided by 4, and then there is a symbol of the, let me confirm that it is division or plus. Yes, it is division. So we have to write the divide symbol and then 5 over 2. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that you have to write the first fraction as it is, and then you have to replace this division symbol by multiplication, and then you have to take the reciprocal of the next fraction. This is the method. I am not saying it from my own side. Now you can cut 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So that is equal to 3 divided by 2, which is again 1 whole 1 over 2 is the answer. Now we are turning our focus to part number D, and that part number D is saying 1 whole 7 over 9, 1 whole 7 over 9 divided by 4 over 3, 4 over 3. So this is 16 divided by 9 and divide by 4 over 3. Now next is you have to take the reciprocal of the last fraction after converting this division symbol by multiplication symbol. Now we are ready to cut 3 threes are, 4 ones are, and 4 fours are, so it is 4 over 3. So that is equal to 1 whole 1 over 3. This is the answer. Ladies and gentlemen, the next question number 4 again telling us question number 4 again telling us to use calculator. Use the calculator for the question number 3. All the parts which we did in question number 3, we are going to test whether calculator is also giving us the same answer or it is different. So for that particular purpose, we will need calculator. Let us do it. Okay, I have calculator with me right now, and I wrote the question for you people because we did yesterday part number A, which is not available here. So I wrote it, and let us use the calculator to evaluate it. Yesterday the answer of this was 1 whole 1 over uh, 2. Yes, so there are two ways in which you can do this question. I am writing method number 1, and the key sequence will be you have to press this key sequence. Number first, you have to press parenthesis start, then you have to press 1 5 1, then 5, and then divide by 8, and then you have to press this bracket symbol, and then you have to press the multiply symbol, and then coming on this side we have to press again the parenthesis, and then we have to press the 4 button, and then we have to press this division button, and then you have to press this 3 button, and then you have to press this bracket close, and lastly not the least, it is equal to symbol. So you will get the answer, and that is 3 over 2, which is equal to 1 whole 1 over 2. Method number 2, which is in my mind is suitable for this sort of question. First, you have to press the 1, and then 5, and then I shown you a button on my calculator in the previous lecture, and that was this button. So it will give you like this 15 and this symbol. This means that over, and then you have to press the 8 button without any parenthesis, directly press the multiply button, and then you have to press the 4 button, and at the and you have again to press that button, and lastly you have to press the 3 button, and at the end you have to press equal symbol. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the whole story. Again you will get 3 points. So whatever method is suitable to you, you can do it, but this is looking a bit childish. This one is a bit advanced one. Both are recommended. You need the answer and you will get the answer. Similarly, B part we are doing, and that is 2 whole 3 over 5. So you have to press first the 2 button, and then you have to press this button, and then you have to press 3 button, and then you have to press again this button, and then you have to press 5. Then you have to press multiply by symbol, which is this one, and then you have to press 1, and then you have to press 5, and then again you have to press this button, and at the end you have to press 2 and then 6, and then you have to press equal, and then you will get the required answer. C part is you have to press 1, 5, then divide by symbol, not divide by symbol, fraction symbol, which is for this 15 divide by, and then 4, and then you have to press the division symbol. As third question is division 1, then you have to press 5, and then you have to press this button again, and at the end you have to press what you have to press 2, and lastly you have to press the is equal to. Ladies and gentlemen, I am leaving this D part for you. It is the wastage of time here in this video. I am 100% sure if people can do these parts, then you can also do this D part. If by any means you are not being able to do it, let me know. I will send you the sequence. Now I am going to question number 5. And question number 5 is find the value of each of the following. In this, A part is saying that 64 over 15, 64 over 15, and then we are having multiplied by minus 3 over 8, minus 3 over 8. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing special is there, only the negative symbol is there. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64. So it means you are getting the answer of this, which is equal to 1 whole 3 over 5. Now we are doing part number B. And part number B is saying that here one thing, that negative symbol must be there, this negative symbol. Okay, question number B is saying 4 over 15, 4 over 15, and then we are having divide by symbol and minus 10 over 3. This is also no exception. So 4 over 15 multiplied by minus 3 over 10. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are, and that will be equal to 2 over 25. 2 over 25 with negative symbol, with this negative symbol, because there is a negative symbol here. Now we are going to other part, and that is C number part. And C number part is saying that minus 6 whole 1 over 8, minus 6 whole 1 over 8, and then we are having multiplied by 3 over 14, multiplied by 3 over 14. Now this is minus 49 divided by 8 multiplied by 3 over 14. 7 twos are and 7 sevens are. So now this is equal to 21 divided by 16. When we divide 21 by 16, so that will be this is minus symbol, so minus 1 whole 5 over 16 will be the answer. Minus 1 whole 5 over 16. Now we are doing D part, and D part is saying that uh, D part is saying minus 2 whole 1 over 2, minus 2 whole 1 over 2, and then we are having the multiplication symbol 4 whole 2 over 5. First of all, we have to remove this mixed fraction minus 5 over 2 multiplied by 22 over 5. This 5 will be cancelled with this one, and then 2 ones are 2 and 2 11s are. So minus 11 is the answer. Minus 11 is the answer in this case. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now doing part number E, and part number E is saying that minus 1 whole 1 over 4, minus 1 whole minus, let me write it here, minus 1 whole 1 over 4, and then divide by 3 over 8, divide by 3 over 8. As you can see that I am also forgetting this negative symbol. You have to pay full attention while solving these sort of questions. This is minus 5 divided by 4 divided by 3 over 8. Next job is to replace this division symbol by multiplication symbol and take the reciprocal. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So minus 10 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 3 whole 1 over 3. Minus 3 whole 1 over 3. Now we are doing part number F, and in part number F we are going to do minus 8 over 5, minus 8 over 9, minus 8 over 9 divide by minus 8 over 9 divided by minus 1 whole 2 over 3. So I am writing minus 8 over 9 in the first step, and then divide by minus 5 divided by 3. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am writing minus 8 over 9 multiplied by minus 3 over 5. Ladies and gentlemen, in multiplication, both minus and minus, if it is division also, division and multiplication will cancel this negative symbol. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and that is equal to 8 over 15, because denominator is greater than the numerator, so we have to leave the question as it is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, question number 6 is again asking to use the calculator. So we have to use the calculator only for this negative symbol. Here the key sequence of calculator should be like this. First you have to press 6 button, and then you have to press 4 button, and then you have to press this symbol, and then you have to press 1, and then you have to press 5, and then you have to press the multiply, and then you have to press the minus, and then 3, and then that symbol for fraction you have to press. This is in my calculator, ladies and gentlemen. Might be you are having something else. So this is 8. Then you have to press the 8, and lastly you will press this equal symbol, and then you will get the answer as answer will be minus 8 like this, which is 1 whole 3 over 5. If I can show you, on the calculator, if you can see it. I'm not sure that whether you can see this uh, answer or not, but it is like this. So we did this question, and similarly you can do all the other questions. Now we are turning or do all the other question. It is not a problem. So we are directly turning our focus to question number 7 and A part. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very important when it comes to decimal multiplication or decimal division. The students are always feeling difficulties. It is not that much difficult. Clear your concept, and then you will see that your life will be easy inside this question. I am writing the first question from the book, and that is saying 14.72, and then I am writing multiplied by 1.2. Ladies and gentlemen, that is super class easy. Let me tell you the method. The method is that you have to write 14.72, and then you have to write 1.2. Here you can write the multiplication symbol. People are saying that how we will multiply this 1.2 with 2. Ladies and gentlemen, this is simple multiplication. When it comes to the multiplication of decimals, numbers containing the decimals, then you don't have to bring these decimal momentarily. Just multiply like simple multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 1 is carried. So 2 4s are 8 and 9, 2 1s are 2. Here you can put the cross symbol or 0. Because you did one multiplication. Now 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1. Add it. 4, 6 and 13. 1 is carried here, so it will be 4. When you are completed with this part, the next part is that you have to count the digits after the decimal. In this case, this is 1 number digit, this is 2 number digit, and this is 3 digits. Then it is 3 digits. So after the decimal on the right side, how many digits are there? There are 3 digits. So this is 1 2 zar 2 and 1 7 zar 7 and 1 4 zar and 1 1 zar. So 4 6 6 7 and 1. Yes, and after the decimal there are, so 1 2 3 you have to put the decimal here. So the answer of this is 17.664. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you one thing, that whenever you are saying for you from your mouth the digits after the decimal, then you don't have to say 664, because it is not 664. There are millions and billions and trillions zeros. Neither we are ignoring that. This is neither 664 nor it is 6640, yeah, 66,400. No, then we have to individually pronounce these digits separately. So 17.664, that is what I noted during my career. So I wanted to share with you people this concept as well. Number B part is saying that 130.4 multiplied by 0.15. 0.15. Again you have to write 130.4 and 0.15. There is a technique here. First of all, you have to ignore. There is another technique as well. So 5 4s are 20, 5 zeros are 0 plus 2, 5 3s are 15, 1 is carried, and 5 1s are 5. Then we have to put across, and then here it is 5 1s are 5, and I not added this, so it will be 6. Then you have to put the cross. 1 4s are 4, 1 zeros are 0, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are. People are saying that this is 0. That is the technique I wanted to tell you. that it is 0 and 0 added by anything is equal to 0. We are not doing it, but this is not correct, because you have to multiply and then put two zeros, because it will specify the decimal position. If you are not doing this 0, so it means you will get a wrong answer. 0 4s are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 1s are 0. That is what I am telling you. That people are saying that there is 0, so 0 is nothing. It will not change the answer. No, the decimal position will be affected. So 0, 6, 5, 9, 1 and 0 you have to write. Now how many digits are on the right side of decimals in the two numbers? 1 2 3, 1 2 3 here. So the answer will be 19.560. Now we are doing part number C, and more fun is coming on your way. 0.27 multiplied by 0.08. 0.08. Ladies and gentlemen, again you have to write 0.27 multiplied by 0.08. 8. So this is 56. 5 will be carried. 8 2s are 16 and 21. 2 will be carried. And then 8 zeros are 0 plus 2, and that will be 10. I am putting across, you can put 0 as well, or you can leave it empty, but that will not put a good effect on the examiner. Either put cross or 0. 0 sevens are 0. 0 twos are 0. 0 zeros are 0. Again you have to put the two crosses for these two digits, the multiplication of which is performed. 0 sevens are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 zeros are 0. So 6, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be here. If you are not doing these zeros, then it will give you not correct answer. So keep in mind that you have to multiply the 0, because it will specify the decimal position. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, and this is 0.106 is the answer. I noted here that this is at zeros are 0 when 2 is, so it is 2 here. So it will be 2 here. That is one correction I wanted to do, and that is what I did, because after finishing the video, when I saw this, I checked that there is a mistake. I am also a human being. Small mistakes are committed by human being. So I am putting this part uh, in the middle then in the video. So note that this is 0.2016. Thank you very much. Now let us do D part, and that is saying that 0.25 multiplied by 1.96. 1.96. 0.25 multiplied by 1.96. 0 and 3 will be carried. 15 and 1 will be carried. 6 zeros are 0 and that will be 1. Now I have to put a cross symbol. 5 and 4 will be carried. 16 and 1 will be carried. 6 zeros are 0 and then 1. Then I have to put 2 crosses. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 zeros are 0. I have to add all these numbers, which is 0, which is 0, 1 is carried. So 8 and 5, 13 and 1 is carried, and then 4 and then 0. You have to write this 0, which is on the left side. But for clarity, there are 4 digits after the decimal, so we have to put the decimal also after 4 digits. 1 2 3 4. So 0.430 is the answer of this question. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow we will discuss a very important topic, and that is the division of decimals. That is really a fun. So we will learn the technique how to divide a number containing a decimal by another number, which is also containing a decimal number. By saying it looks difficult, but when we are doing it practically, you will feel comfortable. That's it for today. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and please share this video with your friends and family members, so they should also subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so you will be notified immediately when I upload the video, because you don't know the exact time at which time I will upload the video. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.